And another important natural resource in the Upper Peninsula is the forestry. And today our Will Hunter tells us more about how to protect those resources and why it's important.
I have to admit, when I first saw that I was heading to a tree farm, I imagined soon-to-be Christmas trees at a uniform height aligned in perfect rows. I knew I was headed into something different about 10 minutes into our drive on a single-lane, mud-covered road. We were about halfway to our destination.
You're right, this is totally different. A lot of people think of farms, they think of agriculture and planted rows of red pines or jack pines. We see that around the state a lot. But a tree farm is more about just sustainable management and good management of all types of forest. It's also a third-party certification and a recognition program.
I quickly learned nature conservation went well past planting trees and not littering. Invasive plant species, those look like flowers. How am I supposed to help prevent the spread of those?
First thing that you should do is learn to identify some of the ones that we have in the Upper Peninsula. There's a website, and it also has an app that you can download on your smartphone. It's called the Midwest Invasive Species Information Network, and we try to install boot brush station at trailheads or popular picnic areas or anywhere where we really want to try to keep invasives from getting in.
So I now knew how to protect against invasive species, but I'm not a plant. And I don't live near many plants, so why does this stuff matter to me?
We use wood products in our everyday uses. Also, for the environment, trees give us fresh air to breathe. They filter our water. They also store up a lot of carbon from the atmosphere. So when you're thinking about good management, you want to think about all those things too.
To learn more about tree farm certification and what it can do for you, visit treefarmsystem.org. Keeping it local in Marquette County, I'm Will Hunter, Local 3 News.